Hi students, the last class we discussed about changing of life. So in the institution of family what happened, social welfare what is the changes in the society we already learned. Now today I am going to tell you about the public health. So according to the Indian constitution, the primary duty of the government is that to give the or increase the people's standard of living and improve the public health. So increase the standard of living and improve the public health. That is the primary duty of the government. So according to that way, the Ministry of Public Health and Social Welfare that it is started, and this institution or this department is helping the government to improve the standard of living as well as the public health. So to provide the medical facilities and provide the health centers, like that many programs this ministry started all around our country. So providing different types of medicines also, like homeopathy, allopathy, ayurvedic treatment, like that different types of treatments are available in our India. So we are going to discuss some major changes or major development which happened in our India. So just after the independence or before independence, like that multi-speciality hospital, that very rare only there in our India. So if they want any good treatment, they want to go to abroad. Our people want to go to abroad. That much facilities was not there in our India. But later we developed different types of technology. So first one, in 1962. In the first time in our India, the open heart surgery was conducted under the leadership of Dr. Gopinath. Dr. Gopinath, he conducted this first open heart surgery in our India in 1962. It was happened in Christian Medical College, Vellore. That is one of the famous hospital in our India. So that is one of the major change or major development in the field of public health. So now many places this open heart surgery, it is very common, it is going on. So that is one of the important development in our country. The same way in 1962, another important development in the medical field, that it is called Jaipur food technology. So those who lost their legs or hands after the accident in their small age, up to 1962, their life is very difficult because the remaining time, their life it is going through the very difficult situation. But when we introduce this Jaipur food technology, they are getting the artificial legs or hands, like different body parts, so they are able to do all the works as a normal person. So Dr. Pramod Sethi, under his leadership only, he designed this artificial legs or body parts and he started to make that one. So that is one of the important development of the medical system in our India. So because of that, those who lost their legs or hands, they are using this artificial body parts and they are doing all the works as a normal person. They can go for farming, they can do the cycling, they can climb the mountain, all the works as a normal person they can do. So that is one of the important developments in the medical field. In 1962, Dr. Pramod Sethi, he developed this Jaipur food technology in our India. And next one is that kidney transplant. So up to 1971, like that, surgeries was not available in our India. So if anybody is having that kidney problem, if they want to change transplant the kidney, they want to go to abroad, but with the normal people it is not possible. So in 1971 1971, first time in our India, this surgery was conducted. In 1971, that also the same place, that Christian Medical College, Vellore. Dr. Johnny and Dr. Mohan Roy, these two doctors are there. They conducted this surgery first time in our India. Now, even from abroad also, many people coming to our India to get such a kind of treatment. That means our treatment has that much quality is there and comparatively less expensive also. That is why from abroad also the people are coming to India for getting such a kind of treatment. And again, another one important development is test tube baby. So, you know that one, after marriage, the children are very important in the family. Due to some physical problem, if they are not able to carry the child, so they can use this artificial method. So that is one of the important development. From 1978 onwards, this system was introduced in our India. Dr. Subhash, he developed this system. First time he started to use this one in our country in Kolkata. So the first child was born, that is a girl child named Durga. So that, but now at present many are going for such a kind of treatment and they are getting the babies. And last one related to the public health, that is immunization. We know that one, after independence also, we out of 10, 6 children are having the health issues, the newborn babies. So many types of vaccinations or immunization programs it is started in our India for different types of diseases like malaria or TB or polio, like that way. Important health issue for the newborn babies. Now almost we controlled in our India, giving by vaccination and all the things. So if you are asking your papa, mummy, you can know that one, how many vaccinations you got in your childhood to avoiding such a kind of diseases. So these all are the important changes happen in the public health. So you read the textbook. The remaining part let's discuss the next period.